Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. Excited to come back to you guys today. Got a Dodge pickup here. This truck has about 103,000 miles on it. It's got the 6.4 engine, gas engine in it. Unfortunately, when this one came in, it had a very bad miss and a very bad knock. Long story short, these have a problem with the cams failing, the lifters failing, and then you can also see, if you look down in here, if we look at that one piston right here, you can see it got really hot. So we had some overfueling going at some point in time, but basically that's the inside of the engine. So what happens is those pistons will travel up and down, and that's what makes the power. So you can see this piston over here is down, this one's down, this one's coming up, and that one there at the very back is up. And so, just a really quick, very broad overview of how an engine works is those pistons travel up and down. There's fuel that gets injected on top of the piston. The spark plug ignites it, it fires it, it makes a small explosion inside the engine, makes that piston move, and that's what gives it the power. So that's a brief overview in case y'all are wanting to see what the inside of a 6.4 looks like. Catch you in the next one.